Bless you. Bless you, Mumei. That sneeze was the cutest thing I've ever heard.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
There's like a lot of cute things. I don't. Are you
It
sure?
was really cute. Rivals. No, that's just fake. You can't fake it. The authentic one was cuter.
Pikachu.
Pikachu. What if someone actually sneezed like that? That's how I sneeze. I have a powerful sneeze.
Yeah, well, I hold back on my sneezes for sure.
Oh, I do too when I'm streaming.
Well, yeah, you don't want your keyboard to get dirty.
Yeah. You don't want people to say, "Oh my god, what was that? Did an explosion go off? Are you okay?"
We're not doing that kind of ASMR.
People always request it though. Anytime I stream ASMR though, I was like, "Can you scream?" Bye bye.